Hello viewers, welcome to the video lecture series for the job role of General Duty Assistant textbook for class 11. In this video, we will cover measurement of vital signs of patients in a medical setting, at home, at the site of a medical emergency. Vital signs indicate the body's most basic functions. It gives information of physiological and psychological health status of a client. The four main vital signs routinely monitored by medical professionals and healthcare providers include body temperature, pulse rate, respiration rate and blood pressure. Now let us learn about taking vital signs like pulse, respiration, temperature and blood pressure. The vital signs are routinely measured by medical professionals and healthcare providers. Let us find out what is a pulse rate. The pulse rate is number of heartbeats per minute. The resting pulse rate for an average healthy and adult's normal pulse rate is between 60 to 80 beats per minute. Generally, the pulse rate is fluctuate during exercise, illness, injury and emotional conditions. Measuring pulse rate. The pulse may be palpated in any place that allow an artery to be compressed near the surface of the body. Pulse rate measuring sites are: first one at the head, temporal artery; second one neck is carotid artery, and wrist radial artery; at the groin region femoral artery; behind the knee popliteal artery; near the ankle joint posterior tibial artery, and on foot dorsalis pedis artery. When taking pulse, follow it. First one, press firmly but gently on the arteries using the first and second fingers tips until you feel a pulse. Count your pulse for 60 seconds, and when counting, concentrate on the beats of the pulse rather than the time. Next one is the respiration rate. The respiration rate is the number of breaths a person takes per minute. The rate is usually measuring when a person is at rest and simply involves counting the number of breaths for 1 minute by counting how many times the chest rises. Respiration rates may increase with fever, illness and other medical conditions. When checking respiration, it is important to also note whether a person has any difficulty in breathing. Normal respiration rate for an adult person at rest range from 12 to 16 breaths per minute. Now we will learn about taking body temperature. Normal body temperature can range from 98.6 degree Fahrenheit equivalent to 37 degree Celsius to 99 degree Fahrenheit or 37.2 degree Celsius for a healthy adult. A person's body temperature can be taken orally, rectally and axillary. Taking oral temperature. First one, keep the tip of the thermometer in the patient's posterior sublingual pocket of the oral cavity. Second one, place it there for at least 3 to 5 minutes. Take out the thermometer and clean it with tissue papers and to clear it for reading the calibration accurately. Read the temperature by rotating it slowly at eye level to view the mercury level and then read to the nearest tenth of a degree or see the digital display on an electronic thermometer and record the reading. Then taking a rectal temperature. First one, the patient is placed with upper knee flexed in Sims positions. Cover the patients to expose only the anal area. Second one, wear gloves and prepare the thermometer and lubricate its tip with water or Vaseline. Hold the thermometer using the dominant hand and separate the buttocks to expose anus. The patient is asked to inhale, insert the thermometer or probe gently into anus like infant half an inch and adult 1.5 inches. Thermometer is holding in place for 1 to 2 minutes. Wipe secretion on the glass thermometer with tissue paper and dispose it off. Note down the temperature and document the reading. Taking an axillary temperature. The axillary area, that is area under the armpit, remove gown or cloth from one side of the shoulder. Wipe clean the antiseptic solution axillary area to make it dry. Place the thermometer or probe into center of axilla. The thermometer should be in place usually 5 minutes. Remove it and read the calibration accurately. Next one is blood pressure. Blood pressure is the measure of flow of blood being pumped by the heart through the artery walls. Each time the heart beats, it resulting in the highest blood pressure. As the heart contracts, blood pressure is measured by sphygmomanometer. Two numbers recorded when measuring blood pressures are the first one systolic pressure and diastolic pressure. High blood pressure for adult is considered as 140 mmHg or greater systolic pressure and 90 mmHg or greater diastolic pressure. Preparation for blood pressure measurement. First one, take rest for 3 to 5 minutes without talking. Sit the patients on a comfortable chair with back supported and legs and ankles uncrossed. The patient's arm should be flexed at the elbow and placed on a table to raise its level with heart. Wrap the cuff around the upper part of arm above the antecubital fossa. The cuff should be wrapped tightly, still allowing one fingertip to slip under it. Be sure that the bottom edge of the cuff is at least 1 inch above the crease in elbow. Record the patient's blood pressure reading, date and time of day. That's all for this video, and in next video we will cover session 3 of unit 2. Till then, enjoy and keep learning.